So today we are looking at a new charger, which actually is kind of cool. And this is a charger by IDMIX. You can see it right here. Infinite Creativity. Yep. It's a PD 65 watt charger, AC charging output, PD 35 watt, and a 10,000 milliamp hour large capacity battery. Well, a few of the things that they sent to give you some specs on was 3-in-1 functionality. So it's a charger, power bank, and a charging cable. So which is kind of cool. A 65 watt fast charging capability. So for those of us that have like a laptop or anything like that, you should be able to charge your laptop from this. So anything that requires 65 watts or less, or maybe even a little more, you just may slow down the charging a little bit. It has a transparent, they say, cyberpunk aesthetic. It's early. Real life applications, they say business trips, commuting. For me, honestly, the big thing that I use power banks for in general, two things. In the winter, I use them for heated gear all the time. But the big thing for me is when I travel on a motorcycle or travel in the car. Big one is definitely motorcycle. I don't want anything that's really large, but the ability to have more all-in-one units is always beneficial, so I don't have to bring as many different things. So that's very good. Built-in charging cable, it says large capacity and compact design. So all kinds of things really cool. When they sent this to me, they also sent it with this. This is their Travel World Global Plug Adapter. So hopefully you guys can see that there, right? That's the adapter right there. So you should have all kinds of options based on wherever or whatever you're needing to get this thing to charge. And this is the IDMIX box. So it's the CH09 C. Again, 65 watt charge, 10,000 milliamp power bank, and USB-C fast charging cable. All kind of all in one. So it's kind of neat because it, unlike a lot of power banks, I guess, you plug that straight into the wall, so it doesn't have to, have an extra cable, which is kind of cool, right? We definitely, I've used a lot of power banks that have cables, which is my favorite. Power bank by itself nowadays, I'm like, cool, but I kind of want a power bank with the different cables so that I can charge different things. Anyways, we'll put this back here somewhere. Here we go. And that is it. That's the accessories. A little accessory pouch. I'm guessing, I'm hoping maybe this is a little bag. You get a little bag with it. That's nice, right? Little battery bag. That's pretty sweet. Nothing wrong with that. You get a little manual, fairly large manual actually. That's really good. There's a QR code. My guess would be to take you to an online version of the manual. And that's the power bank. Now we'll get to that in a second. I'm just going to put all this lovely stuff back in the box. And I will say, right out of the gate, I was like, I can't really tell how big this thing's supposed to be. It's not huge. It's not huge by any means, right? And again, I like the little bag that you get. That's nice. You also get this. This is going to be, now again, I don't know if this is something that just comes with it or if it's something that you get extra. My guess is it comes with it because you're going to want to have this to make sure that your plug that you're using is going to be compatible with the area of the world that you're living in. Or if this is a travel thing, right, you're going to have all your different kind of plugs right there, right? So if it's a travel thing, which most power banks really are, you're traveling to wherever you're going. It's nice to know that you'll be able to plug this into the wall and charge it. That's kind of nice. All right, here we go. There's that, see that cyberpunk kind of feel? I get what they're going for, that transparent front. Now, it's not transparent on the back by any means, but IDMIX, there we go. It does have a built-in cable. So this one here. Yes, I'm wondering if this is, my guess is that's going to just go out to your product, right? USB-C. It's going to have one USB-C cable, of course, for you to make sure that you have something that you can charge from, which is good. So I could charge my laptop, for instance. There's your another USB-C right here. So one of these has got to be an in-out. I would think this one would probably be an in and an out. So let's say you were somewhere that didn't have an extra wall plug but had a USB plug, you could probably plug it in there. Then you have your USB-C here, USB-A here, and a little power. So there you go. It's this way, 70%. So that tells you your battery life. Sweet. That's nice. And then here is your, so it looks like it comes default with the US, right? So it's coming with the US plug on it. Would have been cool if they really want to make this cyberpunky is actually have this light up a little bit. I wonder. So let's say you didn't want US. You were traveling around to somewhere else. Where? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Probably not. Anyways, you got this. So this, does that just, that was there. Oh, see, yeah, so it's got little inserts. So you just take this and basically, voila. So I like that. That's cool, right? Then you're ready to rock and roll. Yes, that just goes in right there. And when you're done, you just slide that out. That's a nice, easy implementation of that for sure. That just, yeah, I like that. Boom, right? Solid, fits in there good. Doesn't look like it's much bigger than it should be. Well, it needs to be X amount of big, right? So cool. I like that. And I'm curious. This says, do I have anything that can, I just want to make sure I can charge my laptop. Let's just make sure. We'll try to charge my laptop right here. So I'm going to unplug these just to see. We'll come back to these in a second. Right, my monitor, everything will turn on. I'm just going to bring my laptop here. And this has a lovely little cable, which I'll just plug in here. And because I have a fair bit of power left, yep, boom, and get a little green light. It has two little lightning bolts on it. I'm guessing that this kind of says how big it is. And I wish my computer would tell me like how much it's pulling, but yeah, it's charging. You can see that. Maybe you can see, right? There's this 69%. This went down. I don't know what this little button does, but this little plus button right there. My guess is it's just kind of, if this goes away, you can hit this to turn it on. But yeah, it's good. It's kind of neat to see all the little transistors and stuff like that. Anyways, yeah, that's a nice little battery. Nice little battery. I'll see if I can find the website so you guys can see how much this thing actually costs, because that's also important, right? If it's like $1 billion, then I'm like, cool, but not super cool, right? Anyways, I'm gonna plug that all back in. We're going to say that it's neat. It's neat. I like it. I do like it. I like the fact that it's super portable and that it's kind of an all-in-one little unit for yourself. You don't really have to bring anything else with you. So that's kind of nice. All right, guys, that is the IDMIX power bank, 3-in-1 cable, charger, all that good stuff in one right there. All right, guys, I'm out. We'll talk to you later. And again, links down below. Later.